It's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and I'm coming back with another, I guess you can say it's a haul, because y'all, I know it right now, it's like looking very basic and things like that, but I got a 45-inch wig, and I just wanted to show y'all like this nice wig I got from the hair store. I did vlog a little bit while I was there, so you guys will be seeing the vlog go up probably like in a day or two after this video, or before this video. I don't know how I want to do it, but yeah, so I got this very long wig, and this video is pretty much just showing you the type of wig I got, the brand of the hair dealer, and where I got it from. So y'all, alright, so yeah, I got this wig today, and like I said, it looks very basic because I didn't do anything to it, but I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm not real big at doing my hair very well. I tried the baby hair thing, and I tried the plucking thing for like the natural hairline, and I just cannot get it right. So I'm gonna need somebody else to kind of come in, probably like one of my sisters, and just kind of like make it look a little bit more realistic. But it did come with this very nice part, and I did put a little bit of foundation on it. As y'all can see, I tried to do the little baby hairs, but that did not happen, honey. And I did put, like I said, some foundation on the part. The part is very long, and I didn't pluck it or anything. I don't think it needs plucking, because I mean, you don't want it to be too big where it's like you're balding or something. So yeah, it's a 45-inch wig, and I got it from this local hair store that is called like New York in the Tampa Bay area. And this is, first of all, it came in this very cute bag. They put it in this very cute summery bag. Like, I want to keep this bag because it's so pretty. So it came in this bag. It says virgin hair, but as I was looking at the box, which is what I'm going to show next, it is a human hair mix blend or something like that. You can still heat it or whatever, but it is a human hair mix, and you can heat it up to, first of all, let's get into the package. This is how the package looks, and as you can see, it's 45-inch. This is called the MINAJY, and it is from Vanessa Fashion Hair of Fifth Avenue Collection. So this is how the wig packaging look. It is a deep part lace front human hair blend with Swiss lace Brazilian hair. So that's how it looks in the front. In the back, it looks like this. It shows you how long it really is, and I got it in 1B. They didn't have jet black, so I did get it in 1B. I didn't want no color this time. And you can heat it up to 350 degrees. So yeah, and then this one is, it says tangle free, but we'll see. What I'm gonna end up doing is do a I forgot what you call it, like a 1-week review, or like maybe a 2-week review. I probably won't have it in my head for more than 2 weeks, and I will let y'all know like how it is as far as tangling, how it is with heating, how it is with just handling and things like that. You do have to handle it way more different than you would do on, you know, just like a regular 18-inch, 14-inch wig. So it's a lot of maintenance, it's a lot of brushing, and just keeping it moisturized. I did put some pins in just to add to the, you know, the little bling bling, but I didn't do anything really much to this wig at this point. Pictures that I would take that shows like my whole body, so that you guys can see like how long it really is on a person like that's short, like 5 feet. But yeah, I just wanted to come. This is just a very quick, you know, haul that I wanted to, you know, do for my channel. So once again, the brand is called Vanessa Fashion Hair, and it looks like this. If you Google this wig, it's way cheaper online. I'm gonna just say that. I paid, I think, $60 to $70. I paid $60 for this wig at the hair store. Online, they only sell it for like $30, so you'll be saving like $30. But yeah, I just went ahead today and just got it from the hair store because I wanted it right away. But if you go online and you Google this model, MINAJY 45-inch lace front wig, it should come up, or you can like Google maybe the brand's name, and I think they sell it on like wig types and things like that. I may do also when I take it off, like kind of like a spin around 360 on my mannequin head, so you guys can get the full effect of how the wig is and how like deep the part is. Like if I do this, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a really deep part. It looks very, you know, pretty natural. And yeah, it's a really long wig, so I'm gonna be getting my life for at least the next 2 weeks. Holiday season, I do have a nice color that I want to do, but I think I'm gonna do it closer to New Year's, because my dress for New Year's is all black, but like some silver, like hints here and there. So I don't want to do like black on black, so I don't have black hair with a black dress. So I think I'm gonna turn it a color like New Year's. Christmas though, my dress is red again, so I'll be probably having black hair. I don't know if it will be hair like this, but I'm still trying to decide on how I want my hair. I kind of know what I want, but it's something totally different that I normally get, so I'm a little afraid to get it, but we'll see. So yeah, I just wanted to come and show y'all the nice wig I got. It's bomb.com so far, and I will give a week review, and then I'll give like a 2-week review on how the wig is holding up and just how good it is with maintaining it, and will I recommend the wig. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell below so that you can be notified when I do post the updated reviews, and also when I post other nice videos, because my channel is bomb.com, and I'm so appreciative of my little 52 subscribers that I have at this time. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to me and liking my videos and things like that. And yeah, I will be back with another video. I do have, if I didn't post it before this video, I do have a matte rag haul that I am doing. So y'all can see the good little cute little clothes that I got and accessories that I got from that store. Matte rag is kind of close to like Fashion Nova Agassi, which is, I'm very heartbroken because I heard Agassi clothes. That's another topic. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned for more videos. It's your girl Chenelle Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified again, sis. Yes, I reminded you. Share this with your family, friends, and your boo thing. Y'all know how I get down, and I will catch y'all in the next video.